Ugh. Ah, spider. Oh god, there's things. Okay guys, what's up? So today we just got to the boat to measure out the stays because we're gonna take the mast down next time we're up here soon, fairly soon, hopefully. So we had to measure them because the stays are going to be changed, like the spots of them. So we want to make sure that we have accurate measurements so that they can be positioned correctly. We got my dog here for the first time, so she's enjoying the little boat. I think we have some footage of me being on top of the mast. Hopefully that footage is decent. We weren't quite sure, so insert footage here.
Come down here. Okay, let's see if that works. Yeah, we're pinched in here.
Yep. You want this end?
Yeah, I want the other end. So why don't you just, yeah. Lower it down to me.
Yep. It's attached to me.
Oh, okay, well you're going to have to mark it. I don't want you to mark it. I want to mark it.
Okay, well I'm going to mark it.
No, I don't. I want to mark it.
Okay, well.
So you're going to have to disconnect it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a bowline, so just break its back.
It has a very small back.
Yeah, it does.
Hey Dad, catch.
Yeah. Okay, that's funny right there.
Okay, so this part, hang on. Dad. So I'm just starting at this metal part?
Yeah, it's the metal teeth. I mean, look at the actual numbers on the tape.
It starts at a little bit before 4.
Okay, so it's probably where you got an L at the very end with teeth on it.
Yeah.
That is probably 0. Does that make sense given the numbers? But see where this goes up? This goes up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see how it's connected to the boat?
Yeah.
Okay. There is a pin that goes through, right?
Yeah.
And it's got a cotter pin through the pin.
Yes.
So the pin is more like a small short rod.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna take and mark it right in the middle of that rod.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a little loose.
All right. Well, I'll pull higher if you're okay with it.
Yeah, go for it.
19.5. You're okay up there?
Yep.
Okay. Go ahead and put it to the back one.
Yeah, give me a second. Okay.
We'll pull on it a little bit.
Go for it.
Okay. 19.6.
So we're measuring from right here, right where this pin is, in the center of it, all the way down where he is. So I'm gonna measure here, so that's 0. We're starting right there. Just gonna hold that tight.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, pulling some tension.
What?
Well, I didn't actually mark over here. That carabiner, I noticed you only have it around one loop.
You want me to put it around both?
It should be both the loop for your legs and your waist.
Okay, 1 second.
Like that.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, now we're both loops, so I'm not falling off, which is good. We're measuring?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Take 2. So we just have that right up there.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, tensioning. Right in the middle there?
Yep.
Okay. That's what you're doing at the top. Are you around or are you nice? Everything pretty good with you?
Actually, there are a lot of calls coming out right now.
Oh, that's good.
I'm just gonna take this. That way I'm not falling off.
No, I'm not.
Oh my god, there's a spider on me. Okay. And we're climbing. Okay.
Okay, can you reach those things?
Yeah, give me a second.
Okay, these shrouds, you see how they go out to the end of the spreaders here?
What?
Down? You see how they go out to the end of the spreaders?
Yeah, technical terms.
Yeah.
So,
I'm letting you know.
don't know what you're talking about.
Huh?
Don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know.
Hang on. Ugh. Okay. Okay, what?
Okay. This is a shroud.
Yeah.
See, the spreader keeps it away from the mast.
Yeah.
We have to get this line on the outside of the spreader so we get an accurate measurement.
Got it.
Okay? So tell me when you get to that point.
Which point?
The same point as these lower ones, right in the middle of the pin.
Yeah, it's just all covered in tape. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's good to take. Yeah.
I got it.
Look at it. Do your best guess.
I got it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to try to get to the end of the spreader here. That's going to be a little bit of a delicate thing. Okay?
Yep.
Fun. Enjoy it, go to okay?
Okay. Ugh. got some dirt and supplies on it. So it's kind of massive. Seeing it from up here, parallel kind of ish to it. Or above it, I guess. So, okay, back to this. Good? Thank goodness. I was getting bored up here. Hey there guys! If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. My dog's running away. This thing up here. It's like a little cat toy. How do I know if it's recording? Oh, it says it. Okay.
Retake it.
Retake it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, there's a spider on me. Oh my god!